I like that. Now I think we can put on this. We have to get some Loctite and an Allen wrench. Wonder who that guy Allen was. He was smart. Okay, so I got the Allen wrench, and I'll just be right back. All right, this is the pulley for the drive to the wheels, and it kind of goes on the same time as the, well, here, let's get you in here and have a little look. Okay, right up in there, the pulley goes around the belt like that, and then up onto the shaft like that, and then we just line up this. You see this right there? Let's get some light. Use the light, Bruce. Okay, that looks a little bit better, doesn't it? So we just line up that threaded hole with that notch I drilled in the crankshaft down like that with the belt on, right? The belt is on. And we tighten it up with an Allen key, and then we put our blade adapter on there. It looks low. It looks low to me. But you just don't know. So when I get that, I'll come back, okay? Okay, I had to get the Allen wrench past this lip here. Whoop. I had to get the Allen wrench past this lip and then put about 4 or 5 turns on it. Now I'm just going to get it lined up perfectly, and then I am going to give it a little tap with a hammer. So I guess you guys should watch that. So right there, it should stay in, right? Allen wrench. Let's just take the camera off the mount. Okay, you with me? And let's okay, here we go. Are you there? Yes, we are. And I'm just gonna tap that Allen key a little bit. I've only got one hand, remember. Whoop. Oh, I think that's going to continue on. Good. Okay, now that doesn't look like much of a shaft, right? But look at here. The depth of that blade adapter is only up to my knuckle, which is to my knuckle. So it looks wacky, but it's not. So now we are ready to mount this. Maybe. Right? And it's not even all the way up. Do you see that? So that is perfect in my mind for my amateur machining. So now I'm just going to put the blade on. Well, actually, a few covers first, right? So thanks. All right, I couldn't do it with you. So it's just 2 pieces with 6 self-threading 5/16 nuts with lock washers on them. So it's and it was, this piece went on first and this piece went on over, because there's an overlap there, second. And I haven't confirmed the tightness, and I am just going to do that now as we work away here. Oh, they're good. Just a half a turn on each one. That's so great. You know, I'm starting to trust that after a year. I'm starting to trust that electric impact. Now the blade. Let's need a break. How much can you see? A little bit. Let's put it on the jack. Hey, yeah, that'll work. Hey, jack! Now we need, what size is that? It's not going to be a 1/4 inch. Woohoo! You see, it's not going to be a 1/4 inch drive. It's going to be 9/16, I think. Just, I'll be right back. Didn't you get sick of hearing that? Are you still with me? Yes, you are. So, this is the blade from the other machine. This is the blade from this machine. But the threads in the crankshaft were a wider thread than the old one. I don't even know if I can explain that. Yes, I can. Sorry, this was the bolt that came out of the old John Deere motor. And this was the bolt that came out of the Toro. And look at that. So now we're just going to stick this. Oh, we're getting a storm. Can you hear? Oh, there goes my lawn chairs. 1, 2. Might lose power. Must be a movie producer. That's what Road King says. Yeah, that's it. Whoop. Oh, I'm not really happy with the only. Oh, that's interesting. I gotta play. Hardly any threads are grabbing there. I might need a longer one of those. I don't know if 6 or 7 threads is enough. Oh, that's a problem. Okay, I got a problem solved. Okay. I got the blade on, but I'm not happy. There's only about 4 threads holding it on. So that blade adapter is pretty long, but the blade ends up in the perfect spot right there. It's about a ½ an inch from the lip. I'm happy with that. So now I am going to try it, but I'm going to have to get a longer bolt for that. Blade adapter. And it could be hard to find. I'll just have to buy a high grade fine thread 3/8 or 7/16 bolt. Okay guys, I almost left you in the dust. So I just got the blade on. It's only held on with about 3 or 4 threads, so I got to get a longer blade adapter or bolt. But we can still move forward for the preliminary test flight, right? So you would think just changing a lawnmower engine would be just changing a lawnmower engine, right? But the internal shaft thread dimensions were 7/16 instead of 3/8 fine thread. Interesting, huh? But I have confidence that this is going to fly. And those are always just hand tight, right? Now, do I put an air filter on it right now, or do we wait until the exciting day? Let's just tighten this up without an air filter for now. These rigs don't run that much different with or without. Some of the smaller engine Hondas do run weird without an air filter. All right. Hey, we're getting close. Oh, I got my watch. And of course, this is about the 4th time. I might have to abandon my tail lid here. I've sorted more bolts since I bought this thing because I dropped it. Alright. Not bad, not bad. We're good. I tell you, it's really nice to have sorted fine thread bolts right there. Now, let's just take a wet rag and wipe this John Deere. This is this color. I'm sorry, Sean. This is the color that turns men's brains to mush. And then they see this color with the yellow, like that, and they just say to their wives, I gotta have it. It's man bling. It's not necessary, right? It's just man bling. But this is, for me, this is like $15 worth of man bling, not $750 worth of man bling. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay. I gotta rethread the rope. What else do we have to do here? There's a piece of plastic in here somewhere that also meshes on here like this afterwards. We need a screw that goes in there. Now I'm just basically talking to myself, right? For a change. Here we go. I think that's it. might be a little thick. Yeah, it is. So anyway, I'll just get this cover on and we'll come back. Okay, I'm just finishing up the covers. I had the right screws. This one should be the right screw. It's a little slightly bigger than the other two. And it threads into the flywheel cover. We got any fuel in this bad boy? I think I put a little bit of gas in it. No, I didn't. Okay guys, you saw it first on Bruce Pender TV. Toro engine transplant to a John Deere, but that means nothing. It's a Briggs Quantum, but there was some differences. And I've only got about 3 threads holding that blade onto the crankshaft. But I'll go buy a longer 7/16 fine thread bolt later. I gotta see if this baby runs, right? It's automatic choke. Okay, let's just get rid of this. This is a big lawnmower. I'm not used to lawnmowers this size, right? Do you think it's going to start on one pole? To make it go, I think, let's just read the instructions. Put gas in it. Squeeze the bail down. Start it. Oh yes. Speed, oh, unlock. Oh, I like that. Okay. Unlock it and go. So you unlock it after you start. Sorry guys, I'm just, you know me, I'm not a collector of self-propelled lawnmowers. Let's try it. Well, I say that's pretty successful. It even goes forward. All right, I'm going to clean it up a little bit more, and then tomorrow I will get that bolt for the blade, because that could be a safety hazard. And unfortunately for us, because you guys are going to be here helping me, we do have a crack in the handle right there. But I think with a little bit of a rivet and a JB weld, we can pull that back together again and make that whole. Make it whole, not whole. So you guys saw it first on Bruce Pender TV. Let's fire it up one more time. I'm a pretty happy dude. Dude. Can you see? She runs like a champ. Good day, my friends. Okay, we're working on the John Deere self-propelled lawnmower that I did the motor transplant on, and I'm trying to get this plastic shroud off of here so that I can mold it back together again with some JB weld, rivets, whatever I can find. And the cover has to come off by getting rid of this rivet right here. Okay, right there. Do you see that rivet right there? Let me have a look. I got the camera facing the wrong way. And I already drilled this one out over there. So I think I have the solution, but getting it around this control lever might be an issue.